Now you know that your Goodwill is bougie when you have VIP parking. Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and I'm going to be taking you along with me in this Goodwill to see what we can find. Let's go. A really nice marble Lazy Susan, and this, oh, it's solid, it's heavy. It is $8.99. That's a great price. These little coffee tables aren't bad. These are $7.99 a piece. There's a couple of bar stools. And these are $8.99. Now you may not like this floral arrangement. It may be a bit much, but this is a really nice vessel. Here, look at that. That's $29.99. Here is a nice planter, and it is from Pottery Barn. It's rather large, and this is $10.99. These are some beautiful silver-plated candle holders, candlesticks for $5.99. Really nice and heavy. These are some really nice seashell planters. This looked really nice outside. I did a seashell themed tablescape before. These are $12.99. A bit pricey, but I like them. I think this is a paper towel holder. It's very nice. It's a little bit crooked, but you just need to get a pair of pliers or something, straighten that out, and it's $1.99. It's $1.99. I think that's cute. So this right here is a citrus or lemon juicer. And so you would stick your lemon down over on it. You would stick your lemon down on the pineapple. This pineapple is firmly affixed to the dish. And then you would strain it and get the juice out. Super cute. It's $1.99. They have two of these wall candle sconces, and these are $2.99 each. And there is the mate underneath there. A nice little casserole dish. This is Crate and Barrel, and it's $6.99. These are old Dollar Tree finds. They used to sell these in the Dollar Tree. Let's see if they're charging. Same price as Dollar Tree, 99 cents. So they didn't overcharge you. It's a nice chandelier for a foyer, and that's $19.99. This wicker picnic basket is really nice, and it's only $7.99. Looks like it's in brand new condition. Let's see if all the parts are inside. No, it's empty, but it's really nice. Could make for great storage. These are some cute little skinny candlesticks. These are $2.99 a piece. You can spray paint them if you want to. And how cute is this? I like little things like this. Let's say you were doing a little cowboy room or a little boy's room, and you would have some real horseshoes here. There's a little horseshoe man, little figurine. That would be super cute. It's $3.99 to decorate the room. How cute is that? There's a little hat. It's super cute and creative. A creative way to use horseshoes. This is a nice bowl. It could be a bowl or a vase, a low vase you can put on the table. This is $6.99. This is a nice vase as well. A blue arrangement. $6.99. Oh, hold on 1 second. This is great. This is really nice, and this is only $8.99. Cart has come out, and this is really nice. These candlesticks here, $7.99 a piece. It's a good find. Here's a cute little whimsical Santa dish. A little Santa there. I guess you put little appetizer or hors d'oeuvres. I guess you'll put little appetizer or hors d'oeuvres in here. And it's just $1.29. Cute little Christmas vibe. We're not allowed to take anything out of the Goodwill basket. We have to wait for them to put it on the shelf. But I wanted to show you this really cute Mickey Mouse basket. How cool is that? I'm going to sneak in, try to get a price tag for you before the lady comes back. And that is $3.99 for the Mickey Mouse basket. Look at these glasses. These are really nice. Unique. $1.99. There's two of them. These are some cute little hands. This will look nice on top of maybe some books if you're styling like a coffee table or bookcase. These are $5.99. Here's a nice little bird lamp, and that's $5.99. If that's your style, I would just probably change out the lampshade. That's $12.99. Those are some really nice tall buffet lamps. And these are $12.99 each. Here is a great lamp. It has that linen shade and it has a bamboo. It's basically just a real bamboo stick if you have that kind of theme going on in your room, and it's $8.99. So guys, I hope you enjoyed shopping with me, and in my next video I'll actually share with you what I hauled. I found some awesome things, so leave a comment below and let me know what you liked in the store. What was your favorite item? And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.